Hello friends, welcome to the Health and Wellness YouTube channel. Today we will discuss with you how do you prevent coronavirus on an airplane. The World Health Organization recommends washing your hand frequently with soap and water or hand sanitizer while you are on a plane. If you have to cough or sneeze, cover your nose or mouth with a tissue or the crook of your elbow rather than your bare hand, and throw away any used tissue immediately. It can also help to open the air vent above your seat and aim it at your face, which will help ensure that the air you are breathing has recently passed through the plane's air filtration system. Now we will talk about how do you prevent coronavirus while traveling to China. The Center of Disease Control and Prevention currently recommends avoiding all non-essential travel to China. If you must travel, check your government's travel website for specific advisories. When visiting China or other areas affected by the coronavirus, stay away from animals and sick people. Wash your hand frequently with warm water or soap, or use hand sanitizer if soap and water isn't available. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth, especially if you haven't cleaned your hand recently. If you recently traveled to China or in other area when the coronavirus is active and you experience symptoms of illness, see your doctors immediately. Let them know about your recent travel. So friends, hopes you like these tips. If you like this video, so please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.